Hey, Stephanie, nice to meet you. Thank you so much for taking time to present. I'm Lenny, one of the co-founders of Milk. Milk instantly turns videos into shareable highlights. So very quick, COVID created a huge number of virtual events and webinars with brands generating hundreds of hours of recording and marketing and sales teams expected to share the content in engaging ways. I heard from marketers that they spend upwards of 10 hours transcribing, finding key parts of the videos and editing the contents of single recordings, and Milk cuts this down to 15 minutes. I'm going to show you a quick demo of how it works. Users upload content directly from Zoom or through a file. Milk transcribes the content to make it easy to find the parts that you want to clip. And then based on the content, Milk can recommend templates for you to use. And you can export it just like that. Or if you want to edit it, make it brand appropriate, you can style everything down to the captions. Some of the use cases are podcasters promoting their audio on Twitter or LinkedIn.
Could you walk through
I'll show you one example.
Orgs and what's easy about interfacing with them versus what's more difficult? Marketing, ops, engineering, and like sales.
And then we also have companies restyling webinars, making it easy to turn a video call into something that feels branded, and even webinars being turned into landing pages with multiple highlights. We already have users. Some of our early users are saying that sales teams use the videos to drive traffic. Harry Stebbings from 20 Minute VC said Milk is an upgrade from anything he's already seen. And marketing teams are creating stuff that performs and they're proud to share it. We started in July and we hit $1,000 of monthly revenue in September. We're on track to hit $2,000 of monthly revenue this month with cold inbounds from companies like Toyota and various VC firms. We're raising $250,000 to hire an engineer and finish building out our first public version of Milk. That's it.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing more, Leonard. Looks super, super interesting. Can you walk me through what it looks like to use the product from the top?
Yeah, so I can't show you a demo right now, but when you have a webinar and you're done, all you would do is upload it into Milk, and then you get an interface that lets you clip a section of the video. And then based on the contents of the video, we have a couple templates that fit video calls with multiple speakers, presentations, or just audio. The audio gets transcribed, so you get these word-by-word captions, which are more engaging when people don't have audio on. And then you have a drag and drop interface where you can add branding, put in your logo, pictures of the speakers, and style text. The end result is that you get an MP4 that you export and you can upload somewhere or to YouTube.
Got it. That makes a lot of sense. And so are folks using it as a way to kind of capture snippets and create almost a highlight reel of the content that they created?
Exactly. What we found was people won't watch a 40-minute webinar, but the content is really rich. So if they can send a 3-minute clip and it's engaging enough, it leads to maybe scheduling a meeting with a sales team.
Interesting. And who are the types of customer personas that are using the product today?
Yeah. So right now it's marketing and sales teams, people who are already really busy. Organizing a webinar maybe took an entire week, and then to edit it is completely unexpected. We also have teams of marketers who want to do more video related content, but aren't really sure where to start. So they have video call recordings, but they don't necessarily have a video producer on staff.
Makes sense. I don't know how much time I have, Daniel and Team Pioneer, so feel free to cut me off whenever. But last question on my side would be, where do you hope to expand the product long term?
Yeah, so we actually want to make it so that multiple people on a team can edit video really easily. So it's not designated to a specialist. And we're expecting there might be some value to creating forks of video templates, making separate cuts of separate parts that are relevant for a specific narrative. So a sales team might want to highlight something that a marketing team, or if you're reaching out to a finance customer, there might be startups or enterprise clients. So we're finding a variety of potential ways. Our first clients were service oriented, and we validated that there's a lot of people who are willing to pay for this. So we're moving the product that we built internally into a more public facing service. Once we see that that has some traction, then we'll expand from there.
How have so many folks already discovered the product today?
It's a lot of outreach. So I'm really good at getting people to talk to me and finding the right stakeholders on funded companies, often through marketing or webinar teams. We have 12 customers right now, and we're getting cold inbounds because people are seeing the shared content, and then people are referencing us as the source.
Good for you. That's awesome. It's not easy to get folks to start playing with a new product, but I can see why everyone has such a short attention span, giving people the ability to actually just capture from both the panelists and speaker content creator side, as well as the listener side. There's so much value in just helping people consume content in the way that they want to, and in a compressed period of time. So I can definitely see the value in it. Well done.
Thanks for taking time.